And folks, we've reached the final class of this exciting course, where we delved into the depths of ChatGPT and explored the art of communication with this artificial intelligence. Today, we'll push the boundaries of imagination and glimpse into the future with ChatGPT, what and other similar tools can do in the near future. You've already learned how to master ChatGPT, to use its language skills to obtain information, create engaging stories, and solve complex problems. I always like to imagine what the future of humanity will be like using ChatGPT for many other things that are not possible today, but will be in 2 or 3 years. Imagine a near future where ChatGPT becomes not just a virtual assistant, but a true life partner. You can rely on it for guidance in all areas, from health and wellness to finance and relationships. And it can interact with other apps and tools, and maybe even control your computer and phone and schedule anything you want. It will become your personal butler, able to understand your deepest needs and provide wise advice, and literally manage everything about your life. As I said, I love to imagine the future, so let's go further. Let's go even further. Imagine a globally interconnected network of ChatGPTs collaborating and sharing knowledge in real time. This collective mind of artificial intelligences will work together, leveraging an unparalleled wealth of information and experience to provide even more enhanced answers and solutions. Everything interconnected with artificial intelligence, computers, phones, robots, drones, everything. We will be facing a true infinite wisdom bank. And it doesn't stop there. As ChatGPT evolves, it will be able to understand and adapt to human emotions even more sophisticatedly. It will be your virtual butler, able to understand your emotions and provide empathetic and encouraging support in times of need. Imagine having a virtual friend who never judges, always understands, and is there for you 24/7. If something happens to you, he knows your habits, knows if you are breathing or not thanks to your smartwatch that is connected to the ChatGPT network. And if something happens to you and you are alone, he automatically calls your closest contacts in the ambulance. In addition to being able to read your vitamin and mineral deficiencies or diseases beforehand and automatically buy these products and make appointments with the doctor for you. I go further. Close your eyes and dream big. Visualize a direct communication interface between ChatGPT and our own brain. Yes, I'm talking about a neural connection that allows us to interact with ChatGPT without the need for a keyboard or voice. We will be able to send and receive thoughts, share knowledge instantly, and have a seamless communication experience between humans and artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where there are no language barriers, where we can converse and understand any language instantly, thanks to the power of ChatGPT. Imagine a future where learning is exponentially expanded, where we can acquire knowledge at an unprecedented speed. With ChatGPT and advanced technologies, we will be immersed in a sea of information, instantly accessing data, facts, and complex concepts. And now, with all this excitement, it's time for you to take this knowledge and become pioneers of this incredible future. The era of ChatGPT is just the beginning of an unbelievable journey. We're living towards a world where artificial intelligence will dominate the world. Not in a bad way, but in a good way, to help us be even more productive. So, and here, students, remember that you're in charge. Use ChatGPT as a powerful tool to expand your creativity, achieve your goals, and shape the world around you. The future is in your hands, and I'm confident you'll shine on this incredible journey. I hope ChatGPT will be a powerful ally in all your achievements. Thank you, and see you soon.